All right, we got a great arrival here today at Westport Auto Center. It's a rare 63.5 Galaxie R code, 427, dual 4-barrel, top oiler, solid lifted car, 4-speed, 411 gears, the motor, the exhaust manifold, the intake, the carburetor numbers, transmission, the rear end, all the tags and numbers are how they're supposed to be for a 63R code. There's the front car, rear car. Front pack. Just a well done car. Unbelievable car underneath. You can go to www.westportautocenter.com. There's the R code. Los Angeles built. District was Denver, Colorado, where it was sold. And so just the attention to detail on this restoration is remarkable. The underneath looks like the top of the car. All the chrome, the trim, the bright work is absolutely fantastic. There are a couple tiny chips. The car has been driven. 33,000 miles on the odometer. All the trim, the bright work, which there is a lot of it, is in really nice condition. Door handles. Stars up front here, the dash, everything around, the windshield, the seals, the top, drip rail. Sun's kind of bleaching out this paint. It's the Corinthian white with rose beige interior. It's the XL, 500 XL, bucket seat center console car, 4-speed car. Just an amazing car. Drip rail on there. Interior is magnificent. There is a little imperfection right there. Transport got us climbing in and out of the window. All the lighting, horn, the blinkers, the lights, wipers, reverse lights. All are functioning. Just amazing attention to detail on this restoration. You can go to www.westportautocenter.com, but there, just kind of show you what you're looking at. Correct exhaust, mufflers, markings. This bad boy's ready for show or go. We'll take this for a little ride. works. Just got it in, got it off transport, so we'll go through it like we do all the cars. That's what they're rated from the factory. And we got the good old polyglass tires, which are correct for the car. Kind of favor the steel belted tires nowadays. And you can fly into St. Louis International, Lambert, one and the same. Be more than happy to pick you up at either one of our, take you to either one of our warehouses that we've got. Pick up the phone and call 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you and have a good day.